One of my favourite things about camping is cooking outdoors, and it's especially easy with a lightweight portable barbecue like this one from Rovin. I'm going to show you one of my favourite things to cook up for my friends when I'm camping. It's a marinated butterflied lamb fillet. I'm going to cook it on the barbecue. It's super quick and easy and totally delicious. I want to tenderise the meat as much as possible, so I'm going to make a marinade first, and I'm going to stick with classic flavours that go really well with lamb. Rosemary, garlic, thyme, chilli, lemon. Let's get started. You want to marinate the lamb for as long as possible. So if you're just going camping for a night or two, this first step is actually something you can do at home. Then all you have to do is pop the lamb in a container and bring it with you. So I'm going to start with some aromatics, and here I have some finely chopped rosemary and thyme. These flavours go beautifully with lamb. Then I'm going to sprinkle over some roughly chopped garlic, the zest of a lemon, and some chopped red chilli, the juice of a lemon, and a splash of olive oil. And I'm going to season it with a healthy grind of salt and pepper. Now you want to get a nice char on both sides of the lamb first, so I'm going to start with a really hot barbecue. Splash on a good dose of olive oil. That's piping hot, as you can see there. I'm going to pop the lamb on. Then I'll turn the barbecue down to low and let it finish with the hood closed. In my opinion, there's only one way to have lamb, and that's medium rare. But cook it to your liking and then remove it from the heat and give it about 15 minutes or so to rest. So there you have it, it's that quick and easy. This is delicious, served with jacket potatoes and a simple Greek salad.